We've snuck away from the craziness of GDC and found ourselves a nice little hallway in a hotel to check out Where Cards Fall, the new game from the Game Band in collaboration with Snowman, the people that do Alto's Odyssey. Yeah, so Where Cards Fall is this really stylish puzzle game where you basically get to create houses of cards as you're traveling through this beautiful, it almost looks like hand-drawn world. And you're this character who's just growing up and becoming an adult and figuring out what life is all about. You have to solve physics puzzles where you can jump on ledges or build houses to get you to places that you couldn't reach otherwise.
So here we're going to learn how to tear down a card structure for the first time. I'll just click and hold. And that's a friend of ours who plays a pretty important role in the story later on. So now I'm going to have to get a little bit further here, but I don't have a path just yet. So what I'll have to do is recreate that card structure. So I'll click and drag, and I can actually build it multiple sizes depending on how wide I drag. So I'll go for the full size here and continue on. The game itself is also wholly continuous, so we never break for a loading screen or a pause menu or anything like that.
Can I play part of it, or? I'd love to. I'm in the weirdest park I've ever been to. Crazy. This is like Alice in Wonderland meets, I don't want to say Monument Valley, but that little line that shows you what to, that's super intuitive. I like that. These little white marks telling me how to play the game. And even this, like the cards, you can't just put them wherever you want. They have to follow the physics of the world. Even that little touch is like, that complicates the puzzles just a little bit more. It's really nice. I saw you do this one, okay.
So this one does take place like an hour after where you were, so. So
I'm supposed to be better at this point.
Yeah, you would have been ranked up a little bit more slowly.
Okay.
But I'll let you play with it anyway.
Yeah, I think I can do it, right? What is this game looks easy, but it's really, really tricky. And I love that. Well, that was the most indie thing I've done at GDC, I think, in a long time, and I really appreciate that. This feels like classic indie development, and I really, really like that. We're at GDC all week. We've seen so many things, we've taken so many videos, so head to Engadget.com for all the news.